Kia ora e te iwi, kia ora e te whānau hoki. We're coming to you live from Kaitaki Village at Ihumatao at the Reclamation, and tonight we're premiering Pipi Season 2 and Moana and Te Reo Māori. What an honour and a privilege to have such a significant event hosted here on the whenua. It just goes to show again the diversity and support that we're gaining here and attracting at Ihumatao to protect our whenua. Let's go around. We're going to show you around the whenua and around the village so you can get a feel for what's happening down here on the ground. Kia ora whanau. We've got some kuri down here, whanau. Kia ora te whanau, you enjoying yourselves? Yeah. We're just going live to all our whanau out there. What's happening tonight?
We're going to do a pitch. We're going to do a pitch to Pipi that they should make those Moana. It's like number 1. Again, we want to Moana to Reo Māori.
Ai. Tika ana. Te pakaro.
Someone else is going to make that pitch because I'm not going to make that pitch. Well, Moana's playing. We've got Pipi down here. All the tamariki are down here, which is the best strategy because there's no amount of police in the world that can catch all these kids if they cross the line. But it's peaceful here, whānau, peaceful, chilled out. I'm loving the vibes.
Kapai, kia ora koutou.
Hey.
Here we go. Here's Cousin Leon. Mihi atu to the iwi who are watching.
Kia ora everybody.
Hey. Oh, kia ora moko-san. Mihi ki te whānau. Kia ora whanau, this is my nephew, Kānoa Moko-san, my hapa nihi Māori. Anei, Ameria, kia ora kōtero mā, we're just going live on our Facebook. Mihi atu ki te iwi.
Whanau mā, amazing support going on out there, all over the motu, all over Te Aonei. Thank you for being here. Can you feel the love? Can you feel the love when we're here?
Kia ora everyone. I was just having a mihi to our sisters here who I just met on the front line last night, and we were talking about tonight, and I said, does anyone know anyone that's got a candy floss machine? And this sis here said, if you can hire a machine, I'll operate it, and this sis here said we'll pay for it from the koha from our coffee cup card.
Wow, amazing.
And they just sorted it all out in today.
Rawe, just see the amount of support down here, whanau. It's just amazing. Kia ora. May I please have a candy floss? Mihi ki te iwi. We're going live from our Facebook page here in Ihumatao. Our wahine are down here providing the candy floss, keeping our tirana sustained and our energies to get through this very makariri night. Oh, that's a big one. Hey, ngā mihi nui, ngā mihi nui. And we even have popcorn, whanau. Check that out. Kia ora wahine mā. We're just going live from our Facebook. Te iwi. These wahine mā providing down here, working hard.
Anyone else have you hold
Yeah, it's not in there. So,
Where do we call her?
At the info tent. What do you have? If it's higher, it just goes in the kitchen. Oh, the media tent? Or, I can take it if you want. Or these ladies will take it for you. Yeah. Give it to that wahine over there. She can accept koha. Thank you so much. Anei whanau, here's all our tamariki out here.
Ne, e pu pote ki te tau. He tino kinwa. Kuperdera. Nara ko tēnā. Ka.
Heaps of tamariki down here, whānau. We have our whānau from Pipi who have generously provided this big screen for us to premiere Pipi early on. Thank you, Kristen and Hohepa. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou anō nei. Our tuahine tweeties down here, who's allowed us to screen Moana and Te Reo Māori. Ka mihi kia koutou. Auntie Z.
Good for diabetes.
Tēnā koe, are you enjoying yourself?
Are you on the phone?
E rawe ne.
Kei te pai rā. Nā wai te tangata i tūnei tēnā me.
Ngā whaia kei Moana. Ai, rawe ne. You want some more? Take your heat.
I can get a presentation on that thing.
We're going to get another screen to build screen mirata. Hey! We got mac and cheese for dinner, whānau. Cooper on tap, the soup's on tap. Oh, look at that, whānau. Check it out, come on down, get a kai. Come watch a good movie. The kai is flowing. Ka mihi, ka mihi. We'll go on down to our front line. See how our whānau down here are going. Holding it down in the makariri. Here we are on our front lines, whānau. This is quite a popular spot down here.
3, 2, 1. And I see fire.
I see fire.
There's a good wānanga space down here.
3, 2, 1.
We have Te Whenua facilitating some icebreakers.
Okay, so you got to drop a kaupapa. So you got to drop a kaupapa for them to sing.
Justice.
Justice.
Yay! So the topic's justice, whānau. They have to come up with waiata.
1, 2, 3.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up.
Well done.
And fight. Take it.
Nearly. Pare matamene.
Politicians.
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
We got 3 minutes. Hold it. We got 3 minutes.
Hey! So there you can see whānau. This is the front line holding it down hard and staunch. See the aroha flowing down here. The manaakitanga, the koteitanga and the whanaungatanga going hard down here. Whānau. It's beautiful, beautiful. So much aroha flowing. This is down on our front lines here at Ihumatao. And we're going to go back and see how our movie night's going. Aroha mai whānau, it is a bit dark. But we'll go back and check on our movie night and we'll fear you off. Fear you off, I don't think that was the word. Aroha mai. Farewell you all. No, it's been a good day today. It was very relaxing. The sun shone brightly, which was nice. It helped all the mud get all dried up, and then everyone was able to reset their tents. Even though it's makariri whānau, everyone is down here. Lots of whānau are down here. Our kihine are working so hard all the time. They're always working hard to make sure that we eat, to make sure that we're sustained for this kaupapa, which is so important. And our matas here, breaking our prawa, making sure everyone's having a kai. See, the aroha down here, whānau, is strong. We're just gonna head around the back so that I don't cross everyone as they're watching Moana. Hoping we can find Grayson. I think he might be hanging out at the popcorn station. Can give us a bit of a update. We've had to convert our miri tent at the back here. Here we are, whānau. Here we are, some more whānau at the back here. Heaps of tamariki down here. Heaps of tamariki down here to support the kaupapa. Ngā mihi, darling, kia ora. Busy down here. You live too? Oh, there he is. There he is. Kare he tangata tuatu I tēnei. More grace and coffee tēnei.
This one, no. Popcorn. That's Pipi Māori mo popcorn.
Kanga pahu. Hey.
Oh, wow.
How are you enjoying your night?
I am enjoying it splendidly. It's about whanaungatanga, it's about connecting, and it's about an inclusive consciousness, understanding the problems we as tangata Māori face, and how best to showcase Moana and also Pipi Mā too, the core aspects of kaitiakitanga. And that's what's being expressed here, whānau. We've got a thirst to protect our awa, and I don't know if you've seen the punawai. It's flourishing, it's incredible. I was actually just down there because I was arranging our paharakeke just so that they can get some nutrients. Our whānau who are looking after the cow shed, first security, not good whānau, they're dying. So we've just temporarily put the roots in the flourishing awa, punawai, and we're going to rejuvenate and re-nourish our paharakeke. That's kaitiakitanga, and that's what we're talking about here.
Kia ora. Well, there you have it, whānau. We're down here at Ihumatao, Kaitiaki village, where we are protecting and preserving the whenua, like trying to be the best kaitiaki that we can be. And here we are with this beautiful screening and premiering of Pipi Mā Season 2 and Moana I roto I te reo Māori.